back to the final episode of our Valentine's Day special. We are making steak salad. We're going to be sous videing the steak, so it's going to be cooked perfectly. It's a simple salad, but it's going to bring everything together. So, let's get cooking. Got the whole family together. So this is the final episode of our Valentine's Day special. we got our scallops, we got our steak salad, and we got our bacon wrapped asparagus. This is fantastic. You've already seen us on each individual with the scallops and the scallops. And the asparagus, that's what it's called. So now we just got to figure out, how's the salad doing? So let's give it a go. That's obviously a beer, not a salad. All right, let's see here. Yeah, get some green in there. That steak is so good. And really, you can add whatever you want to the salad. This is just a simple base for it. You got your blue cheese and your French onions. And you know, if you wanted to add some like fruit, some nuts or tomatoes or something like that, feel free to. This is just to help guide you on that way. That's so good. Now, I know we've already tried these, but it doesn't hurt to try again. So let's go ahead and get at one of these scallops. Try a little bit of pea puree and some chive oil. I love scallops, and I won't say I have them all the time, but whenever I find the right occasion to, definitely. And this is just something completely different, and I love it. Anyways, let's go for some of this asparagus. But first, we sip. That's good beer. All right, our bacon wrapped asparagus. You really can't go wrong with anything here. So if you're ever trying to impress someone, these are some really easy dishes to do. I highly encourage you to give it a go. And everything you see here, you can get from any supermarket. This will definitely spice it up some. All right. So I want to get back to eating this. That being said, thank you for watching. You know, if you have anything to say, any questions, let us know in the comments. And please, subscribe. Let's kill it. Adios.